Coming soon to home video.
The sea gives, the sea takes away. It was a strange day. The air was very still, like it is sometimes before a storm. Wee Jamie, sleeping in his cradle. It's like a dream that day.
Why did we have to leave?
They say the east is our future and the west is our past. The islands to the west of us.
Look out there. That's Roan Inish, island of the seas.
Love of the sea is a sickness, and you two will come to grief for it.
What the sea will take, the sea must have.
He's a troubled soul, as if he's caught between earth and water.
It was a seal that brought me here, he told him.
Old stories told of such creatures, luring ships onto the rocks and pulling sailors down into the drink. He saw a thing his eyes could scarce believe. Liam had seen a selkie. Neither chains of steel nor chains of love can keep her from the sea.
Is this heaven then, he said. No, lad, it's only...
Roan Inish?
Aye.
It's a wonderful story.
Stay tuned for a special Little Women Collectibles offer immediately following the film.